Now, hello everyone. Let's check out this question. So, still under this topic, the quadratic equation. Now we have a rectangular garden has a length that is 5 meters longer than its breadth. If the area of the garden is 84 meters square, find the dimension in the dimension width and length of the garden. So we're given this that a rectangular garden has a length that is 5 meters longer than its width. So let the width be W. So the width is W, and since the length is 5 meters longer than the width, so the length will be what? Width plus 5. So if the width is W and the length is 5 meters longer than the width, so the length will be W plus 5. That is width plus 5. Now, I'm also given that if the area of the garden is 84 meters square. Now remember, the garden is rectangular in shape, and the area of a rectangle is what? Length times the breadth. So in this case, it will be length multiplied by the width. So, and it's equals to 84. So the length is what? We have the length to be W plus 5, and the width is W, which is equals to 84. So for me, if you expand this expression here, we have W squared plus 5W to be equals to 84. So if you bring this 84 to the other side, it becomes W squared plus 5W minus 84 equals to 0. So now, let's factorize this expression. Now this is a quadratic equation. Now let's factorize this. So we're looking for two values. Now in which when we sum them together, it will give us plus 5. And when we multiply the two values together, it will give us minus 84. So the two possible values are 12 and 7. That is plus 12 minus 7. Now your 12 minus 7 will give you plus 5. And your plus 12 multiplied by minus 7 will give you minus 84. So from here, you have W squared plus 12W minus 7W minus 84 will give you 9 equals to 0. W squared plus 12 minus 7 minus 84 to be equals to 0. So now, I will bring the first two expressions together and the last two expressions together. So for me, you have this. Now the common factor here in W squared and plus W is what? Is W. So you have this plus 12. And the common value here, the common factor here too will be 7, because 7 can divide 7 and 7 can also divide 84 without any remainder. So you have this to be minus 7 W plus 12 equals to 0. So if you expand this, minus 7 multiplied by W, you give minus 7W. Minus 7 multiplied by plus 12, it also give you that. So you have W minus 7 and W plus 12 equals to 12, equals to 0. So either you have W minus 7 to be 0, or W plus 12 equals to 0. So for me, you have W equals to 7, or this equals to minus 12. Now, note, we're dealing with a garden, and length cannot be negative. The length cannot be negative. So the width here, which is W, will be equals to 7. It can't be minus 12. Now, also recall, for the length which is there is equals to what? W plus 5, which is W plus 5. And this becomes 7 plus 5, which is equals to 12. Now, the dimension of the garden will be what? Will be 7 meter by 12 meter. And this will be the answer.